Crafting the perfect smart investment strategy from scratch is both a challenge and an opportunity. It's about much more than simply picking stocks or following the latest trends. It's about building a solid foundation for your financial future, one intentional step at a time. If you're ready to embark on this journey, let's start at the very beginning and explore how you can turn your ideas into real wealth. Every great investment plan begins with a clear understanding of your purpose. Why are you investing? Take a moment to reflect on your personal and financial goals. Are you dreaming of a comfortable retirement, aiming to buy a home, hoping to fund your child's education, or simply seeking greater financial independence? Your destination determines your route. Once you have a clear vision, you can tailor your investment strategy to fit your life. But before you invest a single dollar, it's vital to assess your current financial health. Take a close look at your savings, debts, spending habits, and emergency fund. Ideally, you should have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses set aside in a highly liquid account before diving into long-term investments. This safety net will ensure that you're not forced to sell investments at an inopportune moment should an unexpected expense arise. With your foundation in place, it's time to determine your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is your ability and willingness to withstand market fluctuations. Are you comfortable with the idea that your investments might lose value in the short term if it means the potential for greater gains in the long run? Or do you prefer a more conservative path, seeking steady, reliable growth, even if it means lower potential returns? Your age, income, investment horizon, and personality all play a role. Younger investors with decades ahead of them can typically afford more risk, while those nearing retirement may prioritize stability. Understanding your risk tolerance will help you decide how to allocate your investments among different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. Stocks tend to offer the highest potential for growth, but also come with greater volatility. Bonds are generally less risky, but provide lower returns. Real estate can diversify your portfolio further, adding both income and potential appreciation. And holding some cash ensures you have liquidity for short-term needs or opportunities. Diversification is the cornerstone of a smart investment strategy. Picture your investments as a well-balanced meal. Too much of one thing, and you miss out on essential nutrients. By spreading your money across different industries, sectors, and asset types, you reduce the risk that a poor performance in any single area will derail your entire portfolio. This approach doesn't eliminate risk, but it makes your overall journey smoother and less stressful. Next, consider how you'll implement your strategy. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked methods is dollar-cost averaging. Instead of trying to guess the best time to enter the market, a notoriously difficult feat, even seasoned professionals rarely get right. Commit to investing a set amount at regular intervals, such as monthly or bi-weekly. This habit allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, reducing the impact of market volatility over time. It's a disciplined approach that removes emotion from the equation and keeps you moving steadily toward your goals. Another essential element is taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Tools like 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs aren't just for retirement. They're powerful vehicles for growing your wealth while minimizing the drag of taxes. Contributions to traditional 401ks and IRAs can reduce your taxable income today, while Roth accounts allow your investments to grow tax-free, with tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Understanding the ins and outs of these accounts and maximizing your contributions can significantly enhance your long-term returns. As you build your portfolio, it's important to periodically review and rebalance your investments. Over time, the market's ups and downs will shift your asset allocation, potentially exposing you to more risk than you intended. For example, if stocks outperform bonds, your portfolio may become more heavily weighted toward equities than you're comfortable with. Regularly rebalancing, selling a portion of the winners and buying more of the laggards, helps you maintain your desired risk level and keeps your strategy on track. Investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor, but neither should it be a source of constant stress. Resist the urge to check your portfolio daily or make impulsive moves based on the latest headlines. Markets will always experience ups and downs, and temporary setbacks are inevitable. The most successful investors are those who stay the course, focusing on their long-term plan rather than reacting to every twist and turn. Education is another key to success. The more you understand about investing, the more confident you'll feel making decisions. Take the time to learn about the basics of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. Understand the fees associated with different investment products and platforms, as high costs can eat away at your returns over time. There are countless resources available, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial news, that can help you grow your knowledge. Don't underestimate the value of professional advice. A good financial advisor can help you clarify your goals, design a strategy tailored to your unique situation, and keep you accountable along the way. If you're just starting out or your situation is straightforward, consider a robo-advisor, a digital platform that uses algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio at a low cost. As you gain experience, you may wish to explore more advanced strategies. These could include investing in individual stocks or sectors you believe in, exploring international markets to further diversify, or incorporating alternative assets like commodities or private equity. But remember, the foundation of your strategy should always be built on a solid, diversified core that reflects your goals and risk tolerance. Perhaps the greatest challenge for any investor is managing emotions. When markets soar, greed can tempt you to take on more risk than is prudent, chasing hot stocks or speculative investments. When markets plunge, fear can drive you to sell in a panic, locking in losses and potentially missing out on the recovery. A well-defined strategy acts as your anchor, keeping you focused on the big picture and preventing knee-jerk reactions. Patience, discipline, and consistency are your greatest allies on the path to wealth. Compounding, the process of earning returns on your returns, works its magic over time, but only if you allow your investments to grow uninterrupted. Even small, regular contributions can add up to substantial wealth, given enough time and the right strategy. Finally, remember that building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Your needs and goals will evolve as you move through different stages of life. Review your strategy at least once a year or whenever you experience a major life change, such as marriage, the birth of a child, a new job, or nearing retirement. Adjust your plan as needed to stay aligned with your vision. In summary, crafting the perfect smart investment strategy is about much more than picking the right stocks or funds. It's about understanding yourself, your goals, your risk tolerance, your time horizon, and building a plan that reflects your unique circumstances. It's about diversifying, staying disciplined, taking advantage of tax benefits, and continuously learning along the way. And above all, it's about committing to the journey, knowing that every step brings you closer to the financial freedom you seek. Start today, no matter how small. The most important decision is simply to begin. With a thoughtful strategy and a steady hand, you have the power to turn your ideas into real, lasting wealth.